guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a simple, obviously, but absolutely delicious cake. A few of you mentioned that I haven't shared a cake recipe for quite some time, and then I thought actually I haven't. So here it is for all of you. Now this is amazing because I don't want a recipe that will take me all day to make. And I want something really quick, but at the same time my kids should love it, my friends should like it, and most importantly I want to eat it too. So this one is really easy because it's all in one ingredients. I'm just going to put everything in a bowl, whisk it up, and it's going to be flavored. The traybake is flavored with beautiful notes of cardamom and very delicate rose, and then I'm going to finish it with some cream cheese and pistachios. Awesome. Now as always, I've got a stand mix here with a paddle attachment. The key to all-in-one method is that your butter should be really soft, so you must leave it out overnight, and if it's not very soft, then you whisk this, just the butter, for a little bit so that it softens up. So I've got 200 grams of unsalted softened butter. I've got 200 grams of caster sugar, but I'm using golden caster sugar because I just think that golden caster sugar adds a much better flavor. But use plain if you have plain. Then 200 grams of self-raising flour, and I'm going to add 4 eggs. 4 large eggs. Okay, let me try this one. Oh, I just can't do it. Oh, damn it. Okay, next time. The main flavor in this cake is cardamom. So I'm going to add a good teaspoon of ground cardamom. I'm going to whisk it for a couple of minutes. Very important, 2 tablespoons of milk. And just when it's ready and it's mixed, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of rose water. And then one last mix. And that is it. So I have got a rectangle cake tin. You can see the mixture is absolutely gorgeous. And then this goes straight into our tin. Now this will go in the oven at 180°C for around 30 minutes. You can see that the cake, one of the best ways to find out if your cake is done, you can see it starts to come off the sides and leave the baking parchment, and that is one of the ways to find out if your cake is done. That's a lovely sponge. Let this cake cool down before I put any sort of cream on this. It's cooled down nicely, and for the icing I've got 200 grams double cream, and to this I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of caster sugar, and then just whisk it a little. Now when it starts to get a bit thicker, so it's starting to get a bit thicker, it's not very runny, that's when I'm going to add some cream cheese, around 200 grams of cream cheese. So I'm just folding the cream cheese in. You can use just the cream cheese, or you can use just the cream, but a mixture is actually really nice. Look at that. That is perfect. That is amazing. Beauty. So I've got a piping bag and I've got a star nozzle here. And I'm just going to cut a bit from the front. There you go. And then I'm going to fill this bag. I have got 80 grams of pistachio here, and I'm just going to blitz it to a fine powder. Here we have it. It's not like a powder, but it's a rough blitz of the pistachio, and I'm just going to try and add a few tablespoons. Today I want to do small pieces, so I'm just going to slice through here. Take a really nice sharp knife, and then these are brilliant for a party or a get-together. Because you can get some neat pieces and slices, making it very easy to serve. Just look at this texture of the cake. It is soft, it is so moist, it is beautiful. Now I'm just going to pipe them with this delicious pistachio cream. These with, guess what, pistachios. So just look at that tray of deliciousness. You have seen how easy it was to make. Just put everything in the mixer, and the icing is easy. You can use just a double cream. You could use double cream and cream cheese mix like I've done, and or you can also use mascarpone cream, or I'm not a big fan of buttercream, but you can use buttercream as well if you really want to. So I do hope you are going to give this a go, but I can't let you go without the taste test, can I? Look at that gorgeousness. And guess who's going to get to eat it right now? Me. Wow. I was like, oh God, that cardamom rose. And the reason I've chosen cream cheese is because it's not overly sweet and it's got this lovely flavor. Oh my God, that is just heaven. Pure. I am in cake heaven. The simple things are the ones that are usually the most delicious. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you've liked the recipe. come back next week, and please do give this a go, guys. Okay, I've got some more icing.